Hi, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks. Today I'm going to make a tasty fillet steak. At the same time, I'll show you how to cook a medium rare, well done, and medium well done steak. So let's get cooking. Now for the steaks, I'll put a griddle onto the stove. It's nice and hot. Just to make sure it is nice and hot. Okay, just a few bits of water. And the secret to a good steak really is the hotter the griddle, the quicker it will come up to temperature and you won't over or under cook it. So I'm just going to give it a couple of more minutes. I'm using a cloth. Normally I'd use an oven glove. Unfortunately my oven glove caught fire. So just be careful when you're cooking. Okay, so now we've got the griddle on the stove. We're going to grill our steaks. My steaks are well seasoned, and you can see that the griddle is smoking, so it is quite hot. Now the secret is just put your steaks on the grill and don't touch them at all. Now this batch of steaks are going to medium rare. The big burning question that a lot of people ask is, how do we know how and when a steak is medium well done, rare, or medium rare? And I picked up a tip, and I think a lot of people still know this actually. If you take your hand and touch your thumb with your pinky, and touch this part of your hand, if your steak is at this consistency, then it's well done. Move over to the finger below. If it's this consistency, then it's medium. Next one is medium rare. Next finger is rare. So I'm going to leave these steaks here for a while. I'm going to flip them over now. And then I'm going to give them probably another 2-3 minutes. And then we're going to let them rest for another 5 odd minutes. So if you like your sides to be slightly cooked, just grab your steak and then just grab it on the side. Okay, so it looks like they're done, medium rare. I'm going to take them off. And I'm going to let them rest. And that's it. Enjoy. Okay, so our steaks are well rested. So I'm just going to cut this up. Nice and pink in the middle. Not too pink, but just pink enough so that the kids will enjoy it. There you go. Enjoy. So this is a cut that I did as a medium rare. Perfect medium rare steak. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.